going to work about how can you add a message to shortcut to home on your Truecaller app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next here. Then all you have to do, just click here on general. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, you just keep going down. So then you click here on add messages shortcut to home, and you click here on add. Then it's going to add video on your Truecaller app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.